Hi guys, today on my channel we are going to be talking about the Sephora holiday bonus sale. Some ideas I think you should pick up and some things I have in my cart. So if you want to see what those things are, just keep on watching. I am so excited about this sale. It has been so long since I have been excited about a Sephora sale, and it's because I've been testing out new products again, playing with makeup again, and really enjoying it and just having fun with it. So first things I want to talk about are the dates. So the key things to remember are if you are VIB Rouge, you get access to the sale on November 1st and you get 20% off until November 11th. Now, if you are a VIB member, means you're not in the Rouge status, you still get 15% off, but you get access on November the 7th until the 11th. And if you are a beauty insider, you get 10% off those same dates, November 7th through the 11th. So let's jump into what the top 10 products are I have been loving, and I think if you are going to purchase, these should be in your cart. The first item I want to tell you guys about, I have been obsessed with this. It is the Too Faced Hangover RX 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. This stuff is amazing, guys. I have been using this before I put makeup on. I've been using this about midway through, and then I use it one more time at the end. I'm not even kidding you. I need to do a whole video about this. It is game changing if you're oily combination skin tone. It just is so good. The second item I would suggest picking up is the original Beauty Blender Sponge. Now, you guys have heard me talk. I said the Real Techniques was pretty much the same thing. I've been using that. It's less expensive. And I think I was away one weekend and I didn't have a Real Techniques with me. It was at my other house, but I had one of the beauty blenders there. So I used that. Guys, I forgot how different it actually is. The texture is different. The bounce is different. The application is different. It is just that good. This is my backup. I am going to put one of these in my cart as well. I also have one of these in my cart because I am about halfway through this and I don't want to go without it. But it's always good to have a backup of these. It is just something that you continually use. It is the best way to apply makeup. I feel like brushes and all of that just have way too heavy of a coverage. This is just amazing. Now, talking about that, I'm going to talk about how to clean that. Now, Beauty Blender Cleanser, the normal one, I have tried, I have used, I have liked it. It's fine. I don't love it. Then I got a sample of this and then I started using this. And this is the Beauty Blender Cleanser Solid Pro. Okay, so it is a much, much larger version. The other one's like this big and like only like that big. And it is black. It has charcoal in it. This is the one I'm using right now. This is in my cart as well. I love this. It does come with a little cleaner for your brushes. It has like little rubber pieces to it that really clean the brush. But every single day, this is what I clean my beauty blender with. As soon as I'm done using it, I set it in there, wet it while it's wet, and just work it in. It comes clean. I have never found a brush cleaner I love as much as this one. So that is the number 3 item. Let's talk about number 4, the fourth item. I used to use this and love this. And we all know I've been testing out products again. And this is one that I'm not doing a test it video on, but I wanted to try it again. And I don't know, you guys let me know. Would you like to see a video of me testing products or retesting products that haven't been changed? This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. This is in the color 3C2, which is called Pebble. It is what I have on right now. I forgot how amazing this foundation is. If you have oily skin type, if you have combination, dry, I would be very careful with this. You would probably have to mix it with a moisturizer. But if you are normal, combination, or oily skin type, guys, and the color range is insane. They have so many colors. This stuff is just I forgot how great it is. But I will say the best way to apply it is with a beauty blender, because you have to be careful. If you put on too much of this, it can look very, very cakey. But I am loving this again. Number 5, the 5th item I would suggest for you is, again, another item that I forgot about. I pulled it back out and I am like, why did I stop using this? It's because we always test new products and try new products, so it makes me forget about some of the old ones. It is the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in the color Translucent. They do also have a tinted one for darker skin tones. The tip and trick I will tell you about this is don't pull the whole sticker off. Just take a pair of tweezers or a pair of scissors and pop about half the holes. So much easier, because otherwise this whole thing fills up with powder and it's a mess. Whereas this, I just tap out what I need and I'm good to go. I love this powder, guys. It has a gorgeous finish to it. Again, what I have on now, beautiful finish to it. It controls your oil. It is not heavy. It is not cakey. It does not settle. I love this stuff and it'll last you a really, really long while. Number 6, you guys have heard me talk about this forever and I don't have it on today, strangely enough. It is the Bobbi Brown Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick in the color Taupe, which the color sounds very, very, very deceiving, but it is not taupe, guys. It is a gorgeous bronzy color. It is very warm undertoned. If you hear taupe, you tend to think more of like a grayish kind of undertone to it. This is not that. And it stays on amazing. You put one swipe on, you just blend it in with your fingers or a brush, and it is just stunning. If you have any color eye tone, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Number 7 is one that I have loved for quite some time as well, and it has the strangest name, you guys. It is the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder Highlight 01. I don't get it. It's the worst name ever. This is what it looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is what I have on my cheekbone today. I love this. It is my, like, I could get rid of all other highlighters. It is that good. It has a gorgeous sheen to it without a glitter. I cannot pull off a glitter highlight at 45 and with oily combination skin tone. Glitter is not my friend, but this sheen of this is just gorgeous. It has a reflective property that makes you look like that area is highlighted without looking like bang glitter bomb, if you know what I mean. Next item is one that I have been using consistently and I love this, and it is just a gorgeous, gorgeous blush color. It is the Marc Jacobs Flesh and Fantasy Air Blush number 508. This is what the packaging looks like, and mine is very dirty over here. Disregard that. It is a gorgeous blush. It does have a slight sheen to it, but it is a gorgeous, healthy flush. It just is beautiful. It looks like you were naturally flushed, not like you have blush on. I have been wearing this and you guys have been asking me right and left over on Instagram what blush I've been wearing. I love this. You do not always need a highlighter with this. On most days, I just kind of throw this on and swirl these all together. I actually swirl them together and then I tap it off over here. That's why that mirror is a mess. I will say the only downside of this is, and I've had this happen with his products before, the little catch gave out and it doesn't catch anymore. I don't know if this piece broke off that was holding it on, but that's the only downside I would say about this blush. But I absolutely love the color and tone of this. Number 9 that I would be suggesting is on my lips right now. And over on Instagram, I have been wearing all different lip colors, but the one consistent is this gloss. And you guys have been asking me about it all the time. And it is the Huda Beauty, and it is the Strobe Liquid in the color Angelic. It is gorgeous. It is a beautiful kind of peachy pink. It has a nice reflective property. It is super smooth. It stays on for such a great period of time. It doesn't wear down. It doesn't get tacky. It doesn't have that like gummy, you know what I mean? The MAC lip gloss, like you pull your lips apart and you feel like there's strings there. It is just a stunning, stunning gloss. I have been absolutely loving it and wearing it every single day. It is a must-have, and I'm actually thinking I'm going to put one of these in my cart because I'm definitely about halfway through this. It's hard to tell, but I know by moving the brush around, I can tell that it's getting kind of low, and I'd like to have another one of them because I like it that much. The last item that I want to tell you guys about, and I am going to do a whole video about this, and this is a pricey item, but while you have a discount, now is the time because you don't have that many options to get this at a discounted price. And this is the NuFace device. I'm obsessed with this, guys. I use this every single day. You turn it on. There's an app you can follow. You can change the strength of it. It is game changing, guys. It has changed my jawline. I have always had a little bit of a double chin, but it has helped to streamline that. It has tightened my face. It has helped my skin feel so tight, so good, just no fine lines. I actually, in my cart, have the attachment piece. I'm going to get the attachment piece. This comes off. I'm going to get the attachment that is for the brows and lips and fine lines. It has these little pointed things to them. You can set it into the fine lines and it helps to reduce those. I am so excited about getting that at a discounted price. Another option is they also have one that is less expensive that is for smoothing, that is more like a travel version that you could get if you wanted to try this out if you weren't sure. Also, another great idea if you already have a NuFace is to buy refills of the gel that you put on your face for the current. This does not hurt. It does not feel, it's just relaxing. You just run it. I mean, I can't right now because I don't have the smoothing gel and it's catching, but you just run it along. I will do a whole video about this, but if you are going to splurge on anything, I would say splurge on this during the sale, guys. It is so worth it. So I just wanted to touch base and tell you a few things that I have in my shopping cart other than the obvious, my cleanser, another beauty blender, the Too Faced spray, and my gloss that I have. And then also I did tell you about the attachment that I'm gonna get for this. And then also the gel, I might as well get it while it's on sale. I like to buy the big one in the pump. Some other items that I am going to be picking up are the YSL All Hours Foundation. I have heard so many people raving about that foundation, saying how great it is and that it is just a gorgeous finish and long wear. So I'm very excited to get that one in and give that one a try for you guys. These Try It Out Tuesdays, I've really been having fun with them. Also, while we're talking about that, if you have any products that you want me to do a Try It Out Tuesday on, put them down in the comments and I will check them out as well. And then the last thing that I'm also going to pick up is the Drunk Elephant, I believe they're called bronzing drops. They are actually, I have never had good luck with self-tanners. It is a self-tanning drop that you put into your moisturizer. Now, I have tried other versions of this. I tried a Vita Liberta one. I didn't like it, but everyone is saying that this one is really great, gives you true bronzing color, and it doesn't clog your pores. That is my problem with self-tanners on the face. They always clog my pores. So I am very excited to give that a try, and let me know if you want to see that in a Test It Out Tuesday. That could be an interesting one as well. It would take a couple days to see all the results, but that one could be interesting as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on anything I talked about here, please let me know down below. And as always, guys, if you want to see some Test It Out Tuesdays, I will link one right here. And if you are more interested in style videos, I've got one right over here too. And if you're not yet subscribed, I'd love if you click that picture of me right here in the middle and follow along. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye.